Today, I will explain how you can realistically make money by reselling a 7th generation Volkswagen Golf between Germany and Poland. This is one of the most popular cars in Europe, which sells well both in Germany and in Eastern European countries. Using a single transaction as an example, we'll go through the full process from purchase to profit. It all starts with searching for a car. In Germany, the most convenient way is to search on mobile.de or autoscout24.de. There, you can find many offers from private owners and dealerships. In our case, it is a 7th generation Volkswagen Golf with a 1.6 TDI diesel engine, manufactured in 2017, with a mileage of about 160,000 kilometers. The purchase price is 6,500 euros. The car has no serious damage, comes with a service book, and has a good history. Additional costs include about 150 euros for the trip, approximately 200 euros for paperwork and checks, and about 150 euros for cosmetic repairs, including polishing, interior cleaning, and tire replacement. The total expenses amount to about 7,000 euros. After that, the car can be listed for sale in Poland, for example on OLX or Otomoto. The average market price for a similar model is between 8,200 and 8,400 euros. In our case, the car was sold for 8,200 euros. Therefore, the net profit was approximately 1,200 euros. If you carry out 2 or 3 such operations per month, the income can reach 2,000 to 3,000 euros consistently. The key in this business is to check every car before purchase. Use history checking services like carVertical or autoDNA. Pay attention to the technical condition and not to skimp on minor repairs. A clean and well-maintained car sells faster and at a higher price. Reselling cars between European countries is not instant profit, but a systematic process where attention, experience, and reputation are important. If done correctly, even one transaction per month can provide a stable income without significant risks.